Let's go over superseding a pot. Why would you want to supersede a pot? Well, if you're coming from an older system, and the Wallace system will automatically supersede your pots for you. But if you're converting from an older system, you probably are stocking pots under an older number and a new number, and it's out there twice. Well, you don't really want that. If you have 2 in stock under the old number and 3 in stock under the new number, you'd like to have those combined, so I could type in the old number or the new number, and that's how many I have in stock. The other scenario would be, what if you have a stocking number that I have from the main manufacturer, but I buy that from 3 or 4 different aftermarket companies? You do not want to have those aftermarket companies separate in inventory. So you'd want to be able to type in any of the numbers, the aftermarket company number or the manufacturer number, and have it go out and say, how many do I have in total? Okay, so this is how you can accomplish that. Let's go in and just take a look at a particular pot. Okay, I have 15 of these, and there's the pot number. And if I look here, I don't have any alternate pot numbers. Now, if I just got the software and I wanted to go in and set up all the different companies I can order this from, I can go in here and just create as many alternates as I wish. But in this case, we're actually stocking it under the other number, which will not allow you to do that. If you want to combine things, you have to use the supersession section. So let's go in and do that. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to supersede a pot number. Now you need to type in the old number. So this is my aftermarket company that I'm buying it from. And let me put that pot number in here. And you can see that I have 10 of them. But that's the company I may be buying it from, one of my aftermarket companies, but now I want to stock it under my main manufacturer number. So in this case, you would go in here, you would put in the main manufacturer number, and you would put in the vendor code that you're using for your main manufacturer. What it's going to do, it's going to add all the statistics, the on-hand balance, as well as all my sales and everything else, all to that one number. So now when I click on that, I'll be able to see who I've been ordering it from, what companies, all the sales I've made, regardless of what the number is. And I can type in any one of those numbers and it'll come up and give me the same thing. So I'm going to say, okay, let's go add. And so now if we go in here and we go in and look up that pot, now I can type in either number I want. And it's going to automatically, notice the balance is 25. It added all the statistics and all the information. And if I go into my alternate supplier, it tells me that, okay, this pot and that pot are exactly the same thing. And so now I can add anything I want. If I have other suppliers I want to add, I can also do that. Also, you can do like a quick reference number. Suppose this is a pot I sell a lot. There is no barcode for it. So all I want to do is just maybe type in a quick number and have it go get that pot. I can just go add number. I can type in whatever I want to add. Let's say P22. And so now, if I just type in P22, it goes out and gets that number. So that's how alternate suppliers work. It's very flexible. You can create pretty much anything you wish, and it makes it manage your inventory properly so that you're not stocking the exact same thing under multiple numbers. You have a great day.